Good morning, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I have a Dollarama haul, which I haven't done in a while. I was into the Dollarama the other morning, just real quick to take a look, and I thought because I hadn't been in there for so long, I figured there must be something that I didn't have yet from in there, so I checked it out, and sure enough, I found these, which I don't think it's a regular item for them. It's the Grand Hotel Boston, Massachusetts program kits for a wedding. And it was in the party supplies. I don't think they're always there. I'm going to save that clear plastic, of course. But what it is little kits to make your own little booklets. So you get the string and you get the covers. So it says there's enough for, what did it say? 50. So there's 50 of these cards, which just have gold dots up at the top, and they're otherwise plain. And then there's the pages to go in it. And then you would either, I think they're indicating that you just run the string through and tie it, but of course, as us junk journalers, we could sew it in like a 3-hole pamphlet stitch or just a 2-hole pamphlet stitch even. But I thought, how perfect is that? Cream colored paper, not pure white. Do we have something white to compare it to here? Yeah, it's a little bit creamy white. So 50 of these cards. I mean, even if I just use them for my birthday wishes that I send out to my people in my Facebook group, it's a good deal for that, because this whole thing was, I want to say it was $4 or something like that. So it was a pretty good deal for all that I'm getting with it. I may go back and get more of these because they're already pre-cut to the right size. Like the pages are a little bit smaller than the covers. So I just may have to go back and get more of those. I didn't open it in the store to see exactly what they were like, but all I saw was this. So they're printable. You're supposed to print your own details on. They don't all say Olivia and Lucas, obviously. But yeah, I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I was really surprised by that one at the Dollarama. That's something you usually expect to find at Michael's or at a thrift store. And then I focused mostly on napkins. So I got these ones I hadn't seen before. 32, 13 by 15, 3-ply with hydrangeas. And I think these were $3.50 or something like that, but for like these are normally $6 and up at Winners, these kinds of packages with the 32 instead of just like these ones only have 18 for $1.50. But the skulls with the blue border and the bats, and the spiders with the red roses, thinking ahead to Halloween. And then these are all $1.50. These ones are 20 for $1.50. 3-ply, which usually they're 2-ply at the dollar store. But I liked the pattern on this and the colors. And I love the all over floral and foliage patterns to put over top of music paper or book page. And then this was also in the party section, and it's little tiaras for little girls' birthday parties, I guess is what they're for. But they were $1.75. So for $1.75, I got a whole bunch of pink ribbon and a whole bunch of these die-cut butterflies and flowers. So I can use those to decorate envelopes, to decorate journals, tags, journaling cards. Probably mostly go on my envelopes because I love to use a little bit of lacy bits on an envelope, and that can glue down because it's paper on the back. So there was 6 in each package. So I got a package of pink ones and a package of silver ones. Same exact design. So those have white ribbon and these ones have very pale pink ribbon. So I'll use the ribbon too. and I'll use the packaging because I can use this to make myself a little fabric or paper sampler and just cover the graphics and ink the white parts or collage on it. So we'll do some of those videos soon. And then the last item from the Dollarama was these lunchbox notes, which I guess with back to school coming up there, that's why they're there right now. I haven't seen these before, but they were also in the kids area. So I don't always go to the kids area to look, but I was thinking of finding some cute playing cards, and I found these instead. So they are like a postcard size, and I guess you put them in your kids' lunch every day. But I just thought there was some funky enough patterns, and there's only 4 showing on the package, so I thought it was going to be 5 of each because there's 20 cards, but they're all different, which is fine. And they are cardstock. So whether I use them as is, send them in Happy Mail, or if I really don't like the pattern, I can collage on them and use them as journaling cards. Choose to shine. Yeah, lots of pretty ones. So I got 2. There was more than 2 colors of packaging with different pictures on the backs, but I just got the 2 that appealed to me. Now that I see that they're all different in there, I might go back and get the others. And these would also be great to send a little note in with Happy Mail, a little place to write on. The watermelons. Smile more, worry less. And again, you can even get inspiration from these too, and I saw that rainbow one. It kind of made me have an idea. So those are fun. And then this isn't Dollarama, but I was at Dollarama and went in the glue aisle and looked at glue, and the Elmer's glue this size was $2.65 or $2.95 each. And usually I stock up there, but I didn't. Because it just seemed too expensive to me. So when I was at the grocery store, I found these. And these are probably left over from last year. I don't know if there's a date on them. 2015. But I got these. If you bought 4, they were $4.50. If you bought 1, it was $6. So at $6, they'd be $2 each. Over $2 at the dollar store. Now, the ones at the dollar store weren't disappearing purple. They were just the white ones. But for $4.50 each, that's a better bang for my buck. And last year, these went on sale for back to school, and I bought a whole bunch of them. I'm not out of them yet. But then after back to school hubbub was over, I got a bunch of these packages for $1 each. And that's when I really stocked up, because that's ridiculously cheap, 33 cents each. So I just wanted to share that. That's at the independent grocer. You might also find them at No Frills, maybe for slightly less. They are the same parent company, but No Frills sells slightly less for a lot of products. So I think that's the end of my Dollar Tree and glue haul for today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I found, and maybe you're going to go check out. I certainly was surprised to find these and pleased to find these. I really like them. And the wedding things were a good find as well. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what your favorite item is. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.